Today, we'll be looking at the paper An Introduction for the Field of Learning Design and Technology, focusing on the chapter From Engagement to User Experience, a theoretical perspective towards immersive learning. Now, as we see immersive technology becoming even more prominent in education, from our mobile devices to highly immersive virtual reality headsets, there is a growing need to look beyond existing pragmatic conceptualizations of technology. We need to explore immersive technology from a theoretical perspective focused on the user and the learner experience for it to actually make meaningful contributions to education. Immersive technology is becoming more affordable, leading to increases in adoption for education, particularly in the spatial disciplines. And because of this, we need to look beyond existing conceptualizations to a more theoretical perspective of the user and the learner experience. Immersive technology places the user or the learner in the center of the activity and focuses on experiences from a first person perspective. Now, immersive technology can take the form of virtual reality or VR, augmented reality or AR, and also mixed reality. Now, our understanding of experiences resulting from immersive technology use often differs based on the discipline, and this paper focuses on the spatial discipline, where design and spatial relationships are central to the use of immersive technology. Now, there are two broad perspectives towards immersive technology in learning. One is focused on learning effectiveness, and the other is focused on the user experience from the human computer interaction side. Now, the learning effectiveness perspective emphasizes the benefits of immersive technology and examines whether learning occurs or not. Now, the drawback with this perspective is in underestimating any downsides to immersive technology by focusing on the hypothesized benefits without sufficient empirical backings. Now, the US perspective focuses on achieving presence or embodiment as a way to gauge the success of immersive technology. From a strictly US perspective, learning is ill defined, making it harder to validate if learning actually occurred. Because immersive technology is changing rapidly, it has been challenging to formalize a singular theoretical framework that addresses discrepancies between both perspectives and their relationship towards engagement, especially when the focus is on the technology. Instead of a black box approach, this study examines immersive technology through affordances using a variable centered method, identifying common affordances across technologies. It enables better comparison and long term understanding. This approach helps formalize a theoretical framework for immersive technology and learning, illustrated through the spatial disciplines. Now, this paper presents the immersive framework, describing the role of UX in immersive technology and how it leads to learning, drawing from a variable centered approach towards technology affordances. The immersive framework is illustrated using concepts specific to immersive technology and its use in education within the spatial disciplines. Now, what is immersion? Now, immersion is a function of the technology that forms an experience. Technological attributes or affordances are opposed to the individual perceptions of the experience. Immersion is accompanied by some form of interactive capability, and immersive technology allows students to view and interact with synthetic environment and objects in three-dimensional spaces. Immersion is accompanied by some form of interactive capability as well. And immersive technology allows students to view and interact with the synthetic environment and objects in the three-dimensional space. Now we have different types of immersive technologies. We have the augmented reality, we have mixed reality, and we also have virtual reality. Now, augmented reality enhances the real world information. And some examples of this include phone-based QR codes or the MetaView headsets. Now, this is where we can see things coming from the virtual world and being placed in the real world. We also have mixed reality, which moves between the real world and the virtual space. So we can see things in both spaces at the same time. We have examples of this that includes the HoloLens, we have Windows mixed reality headset, And finally, we have virtual reality or VR, and that provides an entirely synthetic experience. Some technologies or examples of these technologies include the Oculus Rift, the Oculus Go, and HTC Vive.